Hi guys, today I'm gonna make sandwich with my daddy. Ingredients are egg, tomato,
mayonnaise,
and sugar,
salt,
pepper,
and
papa,
bread.
and butter. Some help from my daddy. Now we have some mayo.
Put all inside.
Put on inside. Pinch of salt. Pepper.
Shake, shake, shake.
Nuts.
Shake, shake, shake.
Sini lah. Spread the butter on bread.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
Okay, let me help you.
Cool shade stunner, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down.
Okay, I help you.
When I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so
Spread the egg on the bread.
You need some help?
And some this.
Okay, you use this, I use this. One for you, one for me. We spread all over.
Do wrap mine.
Yes, you want to put a lot of eggs?
Yes. I'm gonna get lots over my hands.
Okay, I think this should be.
We put tomato on the bread. Tomato is good.
It's healthy.
It's healthy. I don't eat tomato because I don't like it.
You want to put some tomato? Okay, I do this.
You're gonna do tomato.
Yes, I do some tomatoes.
I do some egg and cheese.
And we,
Put. Can I put?
yes, put together.
Then we cut 4 pieces. Get in.
Let me help you.
Ivan, I'm gonna put on my.
Okay.
Okay, look. Oh, you.
Ba-da-bum, ba-bum.
Sandwich is ready. You can eat the sandwich. Mmm. So tasty.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job, Asha.
Thank you.
Welcome.